Hi everyone, for this question it said a region R is in the first quadrant, bounded by the curve y equals to 24 minus x squared, y equals to 25 minus x squared over 5, and y-axis. For the first question, sketch the graph and shape the region R. So for y equals to negative x squared plus 25, this is a quadratic. With negative means it will concave outwards. So what we need to find out is what is the roots. Let y to be 0. So x can be positive, negative, square root 25. So the roots will be positive 5 and negative 5. Another one, y equals to negative x squared plus 25 over 5. Also we let it to be 0. So square root 25, so x can be positive 5 or negative 5. So they are having the same root. So for this, when x equals to 0, we find out the y-intercept, x0, y equals to 25. When x equals to 0, y equals to 5. So for the first graph, concave outward, touching maximum here is 25, roots negative 5 and 5. And then for the second graph, it will be downward a bit, where this graph is touching maximum 5, roots of negative 5 and 5 too. So this is y equals to negative x squared plus 25 over 5. Label our graph. So another one here is y equals to negative x squared plus 25. So the next one we need to identify the shape region R, bounded by the two curves and y-axis. So bounded by the two curves and the y-axis and in quadrant 1. So this is the region that we want. Once we shape it, we need to label it as region R. So that will be our first part. Then we go in for the part B. Find the area for this region R. So this region R, when you want to find the area, we can analyze it vertically. So when I analyze it vertically, it will be two curve concept, where this is a curve above, it will be reached to the curve green color. So blue color to green color, two curve concept. Area formula will be integrate from the lower limit which is 0, upper limit which is 5. The curve above, negative x squared plus 25 minus the curve below. And we integrate respect to x. Simplify this. So 1 plus 1 over 5, 6 over 5x squared. We expand this. This is negative, negative, positive x squared over 5. Then negative 5. Simplify where we have x squared and x squared. Negative 4 over 5x squared plus 20 dx. Then we can start integrate power plus 1 over new power. Then the next step will be substitute upper limit 5 minus lower limit, which is 0, which this is 200 over 3 area unit square. Then we proceed to question C. Find the region while it is rotated through 360 degrees about y-axis. So when we about y-axis, it means we need to see it horizontally. For the same region here. So when we go horizontally, we can notice that this is under one curve. And then when we reach the value of 5, it is concept under 2 curve. So this is the empty region that we didn't calculate for the volume. So when we want to find the volume, we need our equation in terms of x, because we are going to do dy, means volume equals to pi integrate a over b function in terms of y, then integrate respect to y. So for the first, and volume need to be square, y equals to negative x squared plus 25. So x squared equals to 25 minus y. Meanwhile, this one is 5y equals to negative x squared plus 25. So x squared will be 25 minus 5y. When our function already expressed in terms of y, where x as a subject, and we square it straight away, x squared, you can see. So we can start integrate for finding the volume, where pi, then, so we can integrate for the one curve concept, which is taking start from 0 up to 25 under one curve concept. For this curve of blue curve, 25 minus y dy, then minus the empty region here, which is integrate 0 until 5. This is under this green curve. Green curve will be 25 minus 5y dy. Then we start integrate 25, integrate with respect to y. 25y, then y squared over 2. Upper limit 25, lower limit 0. Then meanwhile for this 25y minus 5y squared over 2. Upper limit 0, 5, lower limit 0. Then we evaluate this. Substitute our upper limit 25 minus lower limit 0, it will be 0. Then for this part, substitute upper limit 5, then minus lower limit 0. So we can get here 200 pi unit cube for volume. Writing mistake, 250 pi unit cube. That's all for this.